how to set text messages swipe actions to mark as read or unread on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in here, tap on the profile icon. Next, go down and tap on messages settings. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on swipe actions. Next, either tap on the swipe right or swipe left customize button. Then in here, from the pop-up, tap on mark as read or unread. And that's it. You can see now it shows a different icon, a text messages icon. So if you tap on the back key, tap on the back key again to go back to the messages list. And if I swipe across here, I will mark it to unread, or I can mark it to read. So it will toggle between read and unread. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.